Good morning. Hey, I'm heading to about 20 minutes from the house here. I'm gonna hook onto this little 12-foot trailer. I got 18 2x10 treated boards given to me, and a few extra just cut off stuff when treated. But I'm gonna go down and grab that and clean up that yard. Then I'm gonna haul it over to our flip property. I probably won't haul it over today. I'll probably just get it home today, then take it tomorrow. But anyway, we get hooked up to this trailer and I'm gonna get on the road. Okay, I'm here. It's a pretty tight little turnaround down here, so that's the reason I brought the little 12-foot trailer. I didn't have to back this whole driveway, which is pretty darn long and curvy. But I think I just pull up there and hook the trailer, turn around, and rehook. That's my plan. Because I don't think I could ever, if that homeowner's car would move, I could do it in one shot. But still might be hard to do. Yeah, so this driveway you see there, but it's probably 3 times that long, so that's why I come down here back in. I could back in right there, but it's pretty wet. We just got 2 inches of rain, and actually we've been parking our trucks there until the rain hit in the guy's yard. So but that's one thing about this trailer, it's pretty light. That's one thing I like about that little trailer is it's light, and it's 12 foot long, so it's not huge, and I love that little thing. You get a lot with it. Okay, I'm loaded up. I'm out of here. So, got tied down and heading home. Oh, hang on a minute. Ain't got no trailer lights. So yeah, I ain't got no trailer lights for some reason. I had one when I left the house. So must have popped a fuse. Not sure what I did. I'm gonna check it again. I get out of this driveway here. and check lights. So I think I popped a fuse. I think they should have came on by now. Alright, I just got in with this trailer, got it unhooked. I got to run the dog to the vet at 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna leave this trailer set here. And it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so Saturday morning I'll probably run over to the property and stack it over there is my plan. But anyway, it's not a bad little load. We got 18 2x10s. They're 11'8" long, so a couple of them got a few little bad spots in them, but I think I can use about all that for a deck. So then I got some miscellaneous stuff over there too. We don't throw away, so I would brought it at home. But anyway, just got home, got to run dog's vet, and now I got to figure out what happened. Park marker lights. I don't know if it's wet this morning. I just blew a fuse on the truck or something. That's more likely what it is, but we'll find out. And I don't know why. So I put it here in the garage. I worked on it the other day for about an hour. It's kind of getting late, but I could not find a short or nothing nowhere, so I decided just to rewire it. I had some trailer wiring up in the attic, so I decided just to rewire it other than trying to look for it. This trailer is 2002, so it does got some age to it, and which should not really affect that, but I think it'd just be easier to just pull wire through it, trying to spend more time trying to find a short. And once I do this, I will probably find the short, and it's gonna be simple once I find it. And I'll probably like, well, I should have looked there, but oh well. So this trailer's got little tubing through it to protect the wiring. So this is the old piece right here. So I just kind of spliced to it. I'm gonna pull through this tubing, and that tubing stops right there. Then there's another piece that takes off each direction. So once I get there, I will rehook to it, and I will pull wire to that light, to that tubing, and back to my other marking lights as I go. So it's gonna be pretty simple, but it does got that protective tubing in it for the most part. Kind of like it. It keeps the wires up anyway from dangling and all that stuff. So all right, I'm gonna pull this first piece through and hit these two front lights, and hopefully it won't take me very long here. All right, while I'm underneath here, I'll show you this tubing, but you see right there that tubing, and they ran it all the way down. And here's what I was talking about, where they stop it. They stop it there, then they retake off here with it, more tubing around to that light. Then they go up, then they got a piece of tubing all the way down the rail. So I'm gonna just feed right back to that tubing. So this is the tubing there that goes to the other marker light on the far side. So I'm gonna just pull the old out and put the new in. So, but I'm gonna take the old wire and pull the new wire through. Make it pretty simple. So this right here is my ground wire. I got a bolt underneath here. I put that on. So that should be more than enough. And this usually never works out very well, what I'm doing there. But it is a short run, so we'll see. Jack wants to be on camera. He likes the camera. I was trying to fish through this pipe, and it had 3 other wires in it for the marker lights. So I ripped all that out before I went in the other night. I think the camera's off.
So I got all that tore out and putting all I started putting all new wire anyway, then I started saving some of it, then I should have just ripped it all out. So now I'm back to this light. I got one more wire to pull from this marker light to this marker light, and we'll bring it back to this tube and drop down. Then I just got one more pull through one more bar right here, which I've got all the wire tore out of it, so it'd be a piece of cake. So I'm gonna get this short one pulled through, get these marker lights hooked back up, and I'll head to the back here. Better shot little loop I made. So the Parker light, that one's coming in from the trailer pigtail. This one is looped back to the rear parking lights, and this one is going to feed these. I'm not sure why. So yeah, you can see it's going good, but it'll probably come to a halt here in a minute. Oh, maybe that worked out pretty good. So try to get them pulled through evenly. So I'll tell you too, I have not found where the short might be at yet either. I figured I might find it. So to me, it's got to be back there on one of these lights back here somewhere. Okay. Lights work, that nowhere's on. So all the markers are on. I just got to do the back markers on. So just unhook it. So I just got temporary battery up there so I can. So I just got temporary battery there, so I'll just unhook it and kill the power. Alright, lunchtime. Okay, I'm back to the two back tail lights, and there's 3 marker lights in the middle of this trailer. This is a temporary wire here I got ran from the battery back here, so right here's so you can see it's lit up. This is the marker light right there, and if I put that on that light or that wire and touch this, I got a light. That means that's grounded, or the wire broke somewhere, grounded something. So we should not get no power to that. So then to kind of show you here, but say that's a hot wire, but watch it. See the, so it's definitely grounded in one of these tail lights or the marker lights. So I'm gonna pop that apart here and see if I can get it traced down. So okay, so that light's good. So that's come on. So it's got to be that light or the middle lights. Yep. So see the sparks there. So it's not this light. It's over there somewhere. Okay, let me go over and see if I can find something over there real quick. Well, that over there is working. So I'm testing it over here. So it is right there now. The new light I bought a couple years ago. See how smashed that is? Right there? That's pretty flat. So I think those 3 right there are rubbing. So there's them 3 spots I thought. I ain't no poke a hole in it. I just want to see. That's it right there. I'm just barely touching it. So I rewired the whole trailer for that. And it's all the way at the back. So, oh well, it needed anyway. That wire that's looking pretty rough. And what I did before, I made that connection here, and I tried to fold it up in there, but it must have come out and smashed out over time right there. So I'm gonna just take that wire and get it back there before I do anything. So that was 100% me. Yep, got them all. It's on. Simple as that. Okay, trailer's all done. So got all the lights working. So I still got test battery set up here. So then I got plugged in here like normal. So there's right. There's left. And here's the marker lights. So the trailer's rewired, and the problem was, well, see what the problem was. It's in lights I put on 2 years ago. So it kind of shorted itself out. So that was my fault. It cost me a day to rewire the trailer, but it probably needed it anyway. Them wires was pretty rough. They was really hard, and as soon as you bent them, they broke. Or the coating broke. The wire didn't break, but the coating started breaking. So, all new wires, so hopefully, as long as I don't hook something or whatever, rip one off, I'll be good for a long time. Hopefully after this. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hope this helped, liked. And like I said, if you got an old battery around, always try to keep a battery laying around on the bench. And try to keep a little bit of charge in it, an old one. And stuff like this, it works good. So you don't have to always try to back your truck in, hook it up or whatever. So alright, thanks for watching, subscribe, and hope to see you on the next one.